Hi, this is Hugh from the Mini Specialist. Today I bought a cheap Peugeot 207. Let me show you. Just been delivered and I know the clutch is going, so that needs to be fixed. So but 500 quid plus the auction fees. This car, and I mean it's a 16-year-old car and there's going to be some blemishes on it, but it isn't bad really. It's got an MOT till May next year, so it's got a long MOT. You know what's going on here. We've got some bruising, I suppose. Looks like it's got measles, doesn't it? Well, we'll work on that. And then it's had a bit of a clout down the side here, and down here as well. So the first thing I'm going to do to polish the headlights, which not too well, fine there, aren't they? But they always go on the top, and we'll get the clutch fixed. Let's have a look inside. So what we got, it's 80,000 miles. It's got good history, long MOT, and really it's quite clean, you know. I'm thinking, well, I mean, it needs a damn good clean, but let's see what it sounds like. What's on the button? Half a tank of fuel, look. Oil's okay. Sounds okay. There's no engine lights. Well, let's see where it goes. Right, so now it's operation cleanup and try and get the bodywork a little bit more presentable. And what I'm not going to do is make this car new, but I'm going to try and tidy up, get some of this stuff off with a soft mop and make it more presentable. So this is coming together. I've managed to improve some of this. I mean, look, it's never going to be a new car, right? But I have made an impression. I've got rid of some of the spots on here. Yeah, so what I'm doing here is using a soft mop and some cutting compound. This is G3. Now, I'll be the first to admit I'm not the best at this sort of thing. I really am not, but I'm good enough of an amateur to make a difference. So what you mustn't do is put too much pressure on. I do know that, but that's what I've done. I've basically got rid of the most glaring blemishes. I'm going to leave that. I mean, the car is 16 years old. There's a slight blemish. I could probably improve that a bit more. There is a dent here, but it's so minor. You know, for the kind of money we're asking, I don't think it's worth spending money to make this look new, because it isn't. So I've just got the car back from having the clutch done, and then I sent it for a clean. Let's have a look. It's looking quite clean. I'm a bit disappointed that this hasn't come out a bit better. So despite my fairly amateurish polishing with a machine polisher, that didn't work. Aside from that though, I mean, it's come up really well. Look in the boot. It's all right. So then, we're about to put the car up for sale. So what we sell it for? The cost-wise, it was £500 to buy, 250 auction fees, so that's 750. 500 quid for a clutch, that's 1250. 50 quid advertising, 140 quid in warranty. So that's 1450 with the cleaning. There's really not much in it, is there? If I sold it for £2,000, when I've taken the VAT off, which being a trader I have to pay, there's practically nothing. So, well, we'll see. I'm going to try around the 1950. I think with the new clutch, it's got to be worth that. What do you think? Thanks for watching.